Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. The futures rise 100 pt as investors focus on Federal Reserve meeting. US stocks are seen opening marginally higher Wednesday, punching after the previous session's losses as investors await another jumbo interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve and clues to the future path of monetary tightening. At 7 p.m. 11 GMT, the Dow Futures contract was up 100 points or 0.3%. S&P Futures traded 10 points or 0.3% higher, and Nasdaq 100 Futures climbed 10 points or 0.1%. The major equity averages closed lower Tuesday on the first day of the Fed's two-day policy meeting, with the blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping over 300 points or 1%. The broad-based S&P 500 falling 1.1%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite ending down 1%. The U.S. Central Bank is widely expected at 2 p.m. to lift interest rates by 75 basis points for a strike time, and investors will also be looking for the policymakers to signal how much further and how fast borrowing costs might need to rise to tame inflation near 40 years hikes. The release of the Fed's dot plot will be key in determining the market reaction on the Wednesday, with investors to pay close attention to the median dot for 2022 and the bank's expectation for the terminal rate, said Matthew Ryan, head of market strategy at Abari. We expect both to be shifted relatively markedly higher away from the Fed. Investors will also be keeping an eye on events in Eastern Europe after Russian President Vladimir Putin declared a partial mobilization of the country's military reserve and confirmed his intention to annex those parts of Ukraine currently under Russian occupation. In the corporate sector, Stitch Fix stock slumped almost 5% pre-market after the online personal styling service reported disappointing quarterly result and an underwhelming outlook, suggesting the weaker macroeconomic environment is holding back discretionary spending. Earnings are expected from the likes of packaged food company General Mills and home builder Liner Corporation, while economic data will center around existing home sales for August. Oil prices soared Wednesday, punching after the previous session's losses after Putin's move raised fears of a further curbing of energy supply from Russia. U.S. crude stocks rose by about 1 million barrels last week. Data from the American Petroleum Institute showed on Tuesday, indicating some weakness in demand among U.S. consumers. Official data from the Energy Information Administration are due later in the session. By 7 p.m., U.S. crude futures traded 3% higher at 986.44 a barrel, while the Brent contract rose 2.9% to $93.20. But contracts fell more than 1% on Tuesday and are on track for the first quarterly lows in more than 2 years. Additionally, gold futures dollar soars as Putin ramps up tensions. Fed meeting looms. The US dollar rose in early European trading Wednesday, climbing near a 20-year high as Russian President Vladimir Putin raised tensions over Ukraine and traders awaited another substantial Federal Reserve interest rate hike. At 3 p.m., the dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 other currencies, traded 0.5 higher at 110.456.57, close to the 2-decade peak of 110.79 reached earlier this month. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.